Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB Designing Developer. Like previously we have done React series and we have covered up first tutorial of React 18. We have learned what is React, and in that I have also telling you what is React, how to use React, and what are the things important in React. So in today's video also I'll be telling you why React is important and why it is important to learn for beginners. So just now we'll be starting with our video. So React is important to learn, and it is important in the field of job because React is a really good UI popular library which is used in JavaScript, and it has a good field in the job market. So beginner should learn this language if they want job in the future with JavaScript. It is having a great community behind it. It is also having a great base. You can say it is having a great JavaScript behind structure and the community based guidelines with it. It is really good language because it contains all the UI popular things which a user needed to use it in their websites, portfolios, or any other thing. You can use React as your own framework to use it in your pamphlets, templates, websites, or any other stuff. React is really popular UI library. It is used as Next.js also to build many other projects. You can use React.js or React 18 with Tailwind CSS to make your website or your project more beautiful. React is really important to learn because if a user want job in the future, and if he want that he should earn good money with this developing job, so he want to learn React.js with JavaScript, so he will be getting a good job with good money in the future. I've also learned React, and in React 18 series I'll be telling you one to one thing which a user needed to work with React and React 18 with React.js. I'll be telling you how to set up React 18, how to set up React.js, how to set up React, all the things. This was our second video in which we have learned why React is important and why we have to learn this. In previous video, we have learned what is React. In the next video, I'll be telling you all the setup, and we'll be doing that video practically. I'll be telling you practically what is setup of React and how to just download React stuff from the Google, and how what text editor should we use to work with React. I'll be telling you all the things in future. So just I hope you understand this video in which I've telling you why React is important and why it is important to learn. So just that was it for this video. So I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like that, so share this video so more people can learn. They can also take benefit of these amazing things, and hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Also subscribe on this channel from which you can see my all the previous videos and all the future coming of videos which I'll be uploading. Check my all JavaScript tutorial series that I've uploaded, because that will giving you help moving forward. You can also just see my previous React 18 video in which I've telling why React is important, because that will giving you help to learn this React 18 course. So just now I'll be meeting next project in the setup part of the video, and I'll be telling you how to set up React and how to use it.